In this video we will talk about head and shoulder pattern and inverse head and shoulder pattern. In next video we will see some real life examples on daily time frame. So let's first start with head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern is a sell signal. Because of this reason, head and shoulder pattern is also known as bearish head and shoulder pattern. Now in head and shoulder pattern there will be three peaks, that is three tops, two shoulders, one will be head and shoulders will be around same level. As you can see, this is left shoulder, this is right shoulder, and in the middle it is head. Now here you need to understand the concept of neckline. Neckline is nothing but support line only, but in terminology of head and shoulder pattern, support line is called as neckline. So you need to understand how neckline is drawn. Low of left shoulder, low of head. You have to connect these 2 points. If you will get a support line, this is known as neckline. Now after forming right shoulder, price should break this neckline with bearish candle. Then only we will say that pattern is completed. So we can go short once neckline is broken. So let's say for example, price started rally from 100 rupees, went up and made a top of 110, fall till 100, again went up, made a new top of 120, again fall till 100 and made a top of 110. So as you can see, left shoulder and right shoulder, they both are having a top of 110 and head is having a top of 120, whereas bottom you can see it is 100. So I can say the neckline is 100. So as soon as price break this 100 rupees with bearish candle, we can go short. Now you need to understand where to keep target and stop loss. Target will be the height of this pattern. So the pattern height is 20 points, 120 head, 100 neckline. So expected target will be 100 minus 20 points, which will be 80. You can place stop loss 1% above neckline. So in this case the stop loss will be 101. Now in this case you can see that the neckline is flat because the low of left shoulder and low of head both are same, 100 rupees. That's why you got a flat neckline. Sometimes you may get upward sloping neckline also. In this case, let's say price rally from 100, made a top of 110, fall till 105, went up, made a new top of 120 and fall 108, fall till 108. Now again it went up, made a top of 110 and then it fall. So in this case you can see low of left shoulder and low of head both are at different levels. Okay, low of left shoulder is 105 and low of head is 108. So we have upward sloping neckline in this case, and this is right shoulder. We may have downward sloping neckline also, as in this case you can see left shoulder low is at this level, low of head is at this level. If you connect these 2 points, you will get downward sloping neckline. So once price form the right shoulder, it should break this downward sloping neckline with bearish candle. Here we can go short. So depends on low of left shoulder and low of head, we may get neckline as a flat line, upward sloping line or downward sloping line. Now let's talk about inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now inverse head and shoulder pattern is a buy signal, and because of this reason Inverse head and shoulder pattern is also known as bullish head and shoulder pattern. It is the mirror image of bearish head and shoulder pattern. So in bearish head and shoulder pattern, we discussed pattern will have 3 tops. Inverse head and shoulder pattern will have 3 bottoms: left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now here again you need to understand the concept of neckline. Now in inverse head and shoulder pattern, neckline is nothing but resistance line. So here we need to find out top of left shoulder, top of head, and you need to connect these 2 tops. If they are at same level, you will get flat neckline. So after forming right shoulder, price should break this neckline with bullish candle, as it is a buy signal. After that we can go long. Target will be same pattern height, and you can keep stop loss 1% below neckline. So let's assume this is 100 rupees level and head is 80 rupees level. So again target will be 20 points. So you can keep the target of 120 and stop loss 1% below neckline.